So good day everyone, this is Siti Hasana Kalaudaya, and today we have Miss Nashakaya Kapal. So ma'am, I have a few questions for you. First is, what is peace for you?
According to me, peace is the absence of war and the physical values. But for me, peace for me is the feeling of this deep satisfaction with self, and not only yourself but also the people around you. And another thing that I could, parang may define ko sa peace is the yung sinasabi natin na harmony. Even though we have this different perspective with other people, we have different perspective on other time, but we still have this harmony between us because we have this feeling of pagiging makatao ba. So I think that's peaceful.
That's very interesting. If I were also to define peace, I would define it as a state where we feel safe and secure. It's having one's freedom to do things in our community, that they give us tranquility and clear mind without having so much tension regarding our safety. So it's the idea that let individual, normal people like us feel at ease while walking around the campus or walking around a certain place, or free from danger when we try to communicate with people around us. So my next question, Matt, is where does peace come from?
Tulad na sinabi ko kanina is yung parang related lang yun sa mga dito. So for me is peace come from yourself. Unang-una talaga you have to have peace within yourself, and then naman sa kanan napasok yung influence mo sa iba. Diyan na yung peace with everyone. Parang harmony with yourself, harmony with God, harmony with society, or harmony with the environment.
We have actually the same perception about this question. So I think also as a person who really wants peace in our community, especially here in MSU, we know there are plenty of crimes and stereotypes about Maranao culture. So I think peace also should come first from the people. It should be us who lends an understanding towards other, be it in the concept of example, religion, gender, races, and of course even identity. We should all learn to give respect and appreciation to every person that is also part of our community. Because if we cannot provide awareness, then that's where the conflict arose. So when we do not define, when we cannot give them understanding, then that's when we get to misunderstood other cultures and even the behavior of people whose identity is different from us. So my third question is, what does it mean to have peace?
What does it mean to have peace? So, I think pare-pareho lang talaga yung peace ang dito. What does it mean to have peace with everyone? Well, like, you have this unity. Parang kumbaga tayo, you have this unity. Kami ng mga kaklase mo, with your society, with everyone. At saka, pag peace kasi talaga hindi natin maalis dyan yung harmony. Yung word na harmony sa peace. Yun yung parang doon talaga yung ng peace. Doon talaga siya, like, formula. Doon lang siya nag-progress.
So as for me, I think having peace also is just similar to having freedom, where we get to have clear state of minds and to understand the world around us without having misunderstanding, prejudices, and biases. Why is it important for you to have peace?
It is important because parang kung wala ka sa peace talaga, it will be difficult for us to have this communicate with everyone, to like have a same good, kumbaga parang mag-develop yung tao kasi we have this yung kailangan na, for example, in a group of people, kailangan na nila to have a parang peace with their group. Kasi, for example, if they're going to achieve something, is kailangan talaga they have this peace, yung pagiging harmony nila, pagiging unity nila, pagkumaga yung pagiging sa nilang tao as one, yung yes, community nila.
I would also agree kasi when you say I think everyone knows the importance of peace, but the thing is we actually do not understand the problems. So peace is very important kasi it encourages harmonious relationship, just like what I've said. So and if we have peace, it promotes understanding and cooperation between individuals and communities. For example, especially here in MSU, we have different people. We have Maranao, Christian, and I think we must have peace in order to understand each other. So ultimately, peace is the foundation upon which a stable and fulfilling life is built, promoting the security necessary to pursue long-term goals and aspirations. So my next question is, how can you achieve peace?
How can I achieve peace? So, for me is, parang same natin sa question kanina. Parang ma-achieve mo talaga yung peace if you are like, ipuunan mo lang yung self mo. Of course, if you're like, disiplinan kong tao, you are parang ikaw yung nag-a-act in order to achieve the peace peace ba? Kumbaga, ikaw na yung magiging model kasi in that way, you can influence others. And in that way, para ma-influence mo yung mga others, the other people na nakakasalungan mo, is yun na rin mag-start yung peace. Kumbaga, parang i-promote mo ba? Kung parang ikaw na yung mag-act as a peace, parang ikaw na ba? Ikaw yung tao.
I would also agree to that because as a student, I really believe that peace should start with ourselves by having, of course, self-awareness of the things that surround us. For example, again, parang natin example yung institutionality po sa MSU where we are diverse, we have different people, we have different perspective here, and ang hirap gawin yung itong pumili na is ang hirap mabigyan ng peace because we have different perspectives when it comes to religion, when it comes to gender, relationship, and etc. That is why I think as a person, if we really want to achieve peace, then it must start with us. We must set as an example to other people that the peace should be this and that. But we do that, we are able to build a connection with other people. Like, for example, Christian and Myrna, we were being able to live in harmonious, build friendship, of course, and provide an understanding about their cultural differences. So of course, we have finally our last question. How can we maintain peace?
How can I maintain peace? So that's really a simple pero napakahirap sagutin na question. No? So in order for you to maintain the peace talaga is parang maging totoo ka rin sa sarili mo na in that way na you will have this self-awareness and also you have this parang aware ka din sa ibang tao. No? You have this empathy with others, with the other people. No? You are putting your shoes. Hindi ka pa. Kasi not because considerate ng tao kapag mag-isip mo, ay ito, ganyan, parang kasi, I mean, what I mean is, kumbaga magkaroon ng mutual respect. And yung peace talaga doon talaga yung sisimula sa mutual respect. Parang yung gusto yung tatima, gano'n. So, for me is,
So as for me naman I would add, I agree with your opinion, but I would also add something. So, di ba when we talk about maintaining the peace, it's actually one of the hardest things to do, especially in this generation na everyone would say this and that, we have different perspective, and it was actually very hard for everyone na magkaroon ng unity, magkaroon ng teamwork. Knowing na parang lahat may stand, and we cannot blame everyone for having different stand. Of course, as a person, we must respect that stand that we have. So I think the primary reason in order for us to maintain this is simply by communicating, by providing, by establishing positive attributes to each and everyone in order for us to lend them an understanding and in order for them to understand us. So that's the most basic definition that I can offer if I were to ask this question. Kasi di ba, pag yun yung nangyari, hindi lang understanding yung nagawa natin between two different people, but actually we build harmonious, we build some harmony sa kanila that would be able for them to provide an understanding, provide respect to each and everyone na parang we have different perspective. And yung magkakaroon ng different perspective is hindi yung dapat pwedeng maging hadlang o may relationship nila kagaling ko. So yes, we must communicate. Because, di ba, when we try to communicate with other people, we tend to understand their point of view. We tend to see what it feels like to stand on their shoe. Di ba? So, yeah, so that's the basic answer I would offer. So, I think that's all for